Okay, this time we're going to need to factor two terms. This one is already a prime number. So 45, 3 times 15, 3 times 5, and 24, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3. So again, we're looking for pairs. Oops, I'm so sorry. We're looking for pairs of factors. So there's a pair of 3s represented by just one 3. 5 will be left under the radical for 45. So we're going to write this number as 3 on the outside of the radical. And then what's left under the radical is the 5. Okay, minus. And let's look at 24. We have a pair of factors here, represented by 2. These are going to stay under the radical. Here, the 2 is going to come outside of the radical. So we're thinking about minus 3 times 2. You don't necessarily have to write it like that. I'm just going to write it like that for right now so you can try to follow what's happening with the radicals. What's left under the radical are these two factors multiplied together. So that's going to be 6. And then here we've just got our minus 4 square root 5. Okay, so 3 square root, 5, minus 6 square root 6 minus 4 square root 5. Okay, now we want to combine anything that we can, which is terms that have the exact same radical part. And when we're going to do that, we're just going to say 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4, and we're just going to keep the square root 5. And then we have this term, minus 6 square root 6. Here, remember, that means 3 plus negative 4. So that's negative 1 square root 5 minus 6 square root 6. And we actually would not write negative 1. We would just use negative square root 5 minus 6 square root 6.